Hey everyone, happy Easter. Chris Lambert here. I'm here to show you my very first recipe, my famous uh, hard-boiled egg sandwich that I eat for it. I eat this every Easter, and I've peeled the egg. A little bit of it came off, but so I don't know if I like this. I usually just cut it with a knife. You don't have to have one of these fancy things here. Looks like a chicken egg slicer. Well, we'll see how it works. So, first you get your bread. I like whole wheat bread. I think this is honey wheat bread. First thing you do, or second thing, you take your mayonnaise. Use good mayonnaise like Hellman's real mayonnaise, the best. If you can afford it, it costs a fortune nowadays. Everything does. Uh-oh, the cat's coming up here. Oh no, no. Okay. Oh no. I think she wants the egg. Oh, okay, I'm putting a little bit too much mayonnaise on here. Up, up. Wants the egg and the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise has egg in it. Now I got it on my fingers. Okay, let's wipe that off. Let's see how this egg slicer does. Take it, slice the egg, there we go. Worked out pretty good, huh? Put that piece here. We'll put our pieces of eggs around. I like the part with the yolk in it myself. Best part. Cat's trying to attack it. Okay, so there we go. No cat. Stay back there. And I forgot the black pepper. I like fresh ground black pepper on mine. And I also like Jane's Krazy mixed up salt. If you can't find this in your supermarket, you can do what I did. Buy 3 of these for like $12 off of Amazon. These are 9.5 ounces. So we just put a good amount of seasoning on it. Oh boy. Think of it. Okay, there we go. Looks like that. I think I put too much salt on it. And I need pepper. Don't forget the pepper if you like black pepper. It makes a big difference. Let's get rid of that extra salt. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, that's really good. I love these things. I don't eat eggs enough because I'm not crazy about eggs or a lot of breakfast foods. But every time I see the doctor, the dentist, for some reason they tell me to eat more eggs, like they don't know I eat enough eggs. So that's it. Chris Lambert's Easter sandwich. Hard-boiled Easter egg sandwich. Of course, you got to boil your eggs in water. I think you bring your water to a rolling boil. Make sure it's boiling before you put your eggs in it. Carefully drop your eggs in there with a big spoon, a serving spoon or something, and let them boil. Or I forgot, you might have to look that up. I know it's at least 12 minutes or longer. I don't like my eggs super soft, but yeah, these are good. I love them. I got my energy drink here. Try to drink one a day. That's it. Hope you try out my sandwich. Hope you like it. I'm sure it's something everybody does that likes egg sandwiches. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Say hi to the Siamese cat. I think the cat and the birds want some of my egg sandwich and mayonnaise and bread.